Generation Sex, so half the Sex
Apollo,
Pistols.
wasn't it? The Apollo.
The Apollo, yeah. Half of Generation X, half of the Sex Pistols. So we go to the gig. I picked him up at 7. He was already away with the fairies at 7 o'clock.
No, what?
So yes, you fucking were. Fucking. Anyway, so we go to the Apsley Cottage, we have a couple of jars. We go in the gig, and then he goes, right, go in the bar, what do you want? So anyway, 20 minutes later, we get a text. Where are you? I'm going, I'm where you left me, you twat. And he's going, right, I'm sick of people leaving me. And then he goes, where are you now, 20 minutes later? I'm on the 192. Anyway, he goes home and he writes this song. So check it out.
We're